Welcome to SK Contact Form Builder. So here's a problem a lot of you run into. I've got two forms, say one for my contact page and one for my wholesale page. I add a form to one page, and by default, it also shows up on the other page. Let's figure out why that's happening and actually fix it. First thing I do is go check both pages. I open my contact page. Scroll down to the template setting. It's on the default template. Now I check my wholesale page. Same thing, also on the default template. That's the issue right there, both pages are sharing the exact same template. So now I go into Edit Theme. And up here at the top, I click on Pages. And select Create Template. This is going to give this page its own separate template, instead of sharing the default one. It gives me two fields here, name and based on. For the name, I'll just type something I'll recognize. For based on, I'll leave it set to the default template, since I want to start from what's already there. Then I click on the Create Template, and just like that, a brand new template exists. Now I head back to my contact page and refresh it. And there it is, my new template now shows up as an option in that drop-down. I select it here, and save. My contact page is now officially running on its own template, not the shared default one anymore. Next, I go back into Edit Theme. Switch over to the default template. Find our form block sitting there. And remove it completely. This is important, if I leave it here, it'll keep showing on every other page still using the default template. Now I switch over to my new template. The one I just assigned to the contact page. And add the app block here instead. I'll pick the contact form for this one. And save. This block now lives only on this template. Now I just repeat the exact same thing for my wholesale page. Create template again. Give it its own name. And create it. Back on the wholesale page. And save. Then in Edit Theme, I switch to this new wholesale template. But this time I pick the wholesale form instead of the contact one. Let's go check the front end now. Here's my contact page. And there's the right form. And here's my wholesale page. Showing its own wholesale form. Completely separate, not the contact form anymore. That's it, that's the actual fix. Give each page its own template, move the right block over, and each page finally shows exactly what you want it to. Thanks for using SK Contact Form Builder.